In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your download page and your downloadable files. So previously in the video before, I showed you how to create your own download page even if somebody doesn't give you one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create links that link to the zip files so that when you upload all your zip files and all of your HTML pages, the download and the sales page, what happens here is whenever somebody clicks on those links, they're actually going to get the file and the product files and the sales letter graphics or whatever you provide them with. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started with that. The first thing I want to do is I want to go to the file manager. Now right now I am looking at the mini site sales letter. What I want to do is I want to go back to the location where I have all the files. So I have about 7 files. It's about 100 megabytes, and what I want to do is you'll notice that the files are named in a particular way so that I know what they are. Sometimes people name the zip files so that you don't even know what they are. It's best for you to even rename them so that you know which one goes where, and at the same time when your customers download them, they'll know which one is which. So right now I see that we have the intro, we have MySpace for social networking, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yahoo Answers, StumbleUpon, and the sales letter and graphics. If I go back to the download page, you'll notice that it is in the exact same order. We have introduction, MySpace, Facebook, and so on. And we have the sales letter graphics. Now I'm going to move this aside here, and I'll move this aside just so that you can see the names of the files. Now, for example, the first link that we want to make is for the download of the professional sales letter and graphics, and we have a link here that says click here. So what I want you to do is you will need to click on this, and if you click one more time, you'll notice that it allows you to rename it. I don't want you to rename it. If you right click and copy, then move over here, highlight whatever link you want to create, click on link, and paste that information here. You don't have to worry about what goes before that. I'm showing you a method so that you can do the same to all of this and make it work when you upload it. Click OK, and good. Do the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll click it another time, copy that over, click on link, enter that into the link properties, and press OK. And I'll go ahead and do that for the next 6. Okay, great. So now as you can see here, I have made links for all of these using that same method. Once I'm done with that, I want to click on save. And let's not forget that we want to enter the PDF of the license. So we'd probably want to put it up here and say something like download your license. And highlight that, click on the link side, enter that, press OK. And to make that font the same as this, we highlight it and choose Arial font. And then we'll make this bold, click on save, and we're done. So now you can see how easy it is to create a download page. And we've successfully created a download page, and we're good to go on that. Now the next question is, how do you connect this download page with the sales page so after somebody pays for the product, they instantly get forwarded to this page? In the next video, I'm going to show you how to automate your sales so that when you're sleeping and somebody buys, they get to the page without you having to intervene and manually send the files to them.